Nigerian music legend Innocent Idibia, popularly known as Tubaba, has formally introduced his fiancée, Krom Edo State lawmaker Honorable Natasha Osawaru, to the Idoma traditional leadership and his hometown community. NaijaNews learns that the introduction took place on Monday, April 21, 2025, during the Idoma National Peace and Unity Symposium at the Oche Idoma Palace in Otukpo. According to Daily Post, Tubaba, who attended the event in traditional Idoma attire, presented Natasha to His Royal Majesty, the Oche Idoma 5, and assembled kinsmen. Following the palace ceremony, Tubaba and Osawaru proceeded to Opoku, his ancestral home in Benue State, where they met with local elders and community members. The legendary singer affirmed his commitment and sought the endorsement of the elders for the former deputy majority leader of the Edo State House of Assembly. Tubaba expressed his intention to marry Osawaru, describing her as a young, brilliant and amazing woman. Meanwhile, Nigerian comedian Justice Nuagbe, popularly known as Ushebebe, has frowned at how Tubaba follows his Natasha Osawaru around like a schoolboy. NaijaNews reports that Ushebebe alluded that there is more to Tubaba's relationship with Natasha than love, urging the music icon to free himself from the lawmaker's grip. The comedian also called for national prayers for Tubaba, adding that keeping quiet is difficult for him. While this news has sparked widespread reactions online, please share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.